Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video ay ipresent ko sa inyo yung articulated task ng grade 8. And kung teacher po kayo ng grade 8, pwede nyo po magamit itong articulated task. At doon sa grade 8 students na tinuturuan ko, ito po yung inyong articulated task. So, allow me to share my screen para share ko sa inyo yung inyong articulated task. Ma-present ang articulated task sa inyo. Okay, so this is your articulated task this third quarter para sa grade 8 students. We have this theme, Service-Oriented Victorians, Crafting South Asia and Middle East from Technical Drawings to Artistic Expression. This is all the articulated sa TLE. Ang lesson natin is Masonry and Arts. So this is the transfer goals or transfer goal. The learners independently demonstrate their understanding in reading and interpreting specifications of simple technical drawings and plans, and exhibit completed South Asia and the Middle East artworks for appreciation and critiquing through planning simple layout plans. So this is your goal. Design a blueprint of your own dream house through freehand sketching or with the use of computer-aided design like Hydromax or floor plan, incorporating creative inspiration from South Asia and Middle East. Your role is you are architectural drafters, and your audience are masons, engineers, construction workers. This is the sample situation. You and your husband or wife decided to build a new house inspired by South Asian or Middle East Asian design. Being an architectural drafter, you will make a blueprint of your dream house. You will include the interior and exterior designs of your new house so that your general contractor, the Iron Pawn Builders and Development Corp will understand the whole details. This is your product, your dream house, including the interior design, your blueprints, and exterior design with the touch or inspired with nagugulatan ako. Basta inspired with South Asian design. Ito po yung inyong criteria na susundin na pwede nyo pagbatayan sa paggawa ng blueprint at yung exterior design. First is completeness. Student has drawn all four walls of the house and all interior partitions are accurately labeled to scale. So lalagay nyo din ang scaling kung ilang measurement yun. Maglalagay ka ng dimension doon sa inyong blueprint. Doors and windows are indicated and to scale. Neatness. The student's blueprint is neat and orderly. Lines for the walls Interior partitions, windows, and labels are in black. Labeling or drawing accuracy. The students' partitions are accurately labeled to the indicated scale. Blueprint, legend, or header gives the student's name and scale of the drawing. Next, build of materials. On a separate sheet of or on a separate sheet, the student will list each room with the drawn dimensions and give the area of that room in square feet. The student has accurately calculated the expense of flooring and wall covering of one. So, nasa usapan naman ng teacher yan at student kung pwede baguhin yung criteria. This is just an example criteria that will be used to grade your output. And this is also the examples of blueprint with exterior design, the blueprint in interior design. Yan po. Kung saan sa blueprint gumamit po ng mga symbols that are used in making a blueprint. Yung common signs, yung door, windows, partition, yung walls, tsaka yung mga furnitures, then nilalagyan din ng labels. Other example, ito po yung blueprint. Other example, ito naman Southwest Asian Dream House. Okay. This is the blueprint. Ayan. Modern house. Tapos ito yung blueprint niya. Ito din. With color coding. Ito yung blueprint. Merong scaling yan. Ito naman yung exterior dream house design. Ito din. Simple house. Then ito yung kanyang blueprint. Ito din another example. At yun na po. And pwede po kayo mag-search sa internet ng mga blueprints na pwede nyo ng mga blueprints. Pwede po kayo mag-search sa internet ng mga symbols and signs na ginagamit sa paggawa ng blueprint. Available naman yan sa internet. I-print nyo lang para meron kayong guide sa paggawa ng blueprint. For example, yung table, ano yung symbol ng table, pwede nyo, marami kayong paggagayahan na pwede nyo ilagay sa blueprint. Yan lang po. And thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you po.